Good morning, YouTube family, Fab Fam. I got the oldest and the youngest with me. She's out of school today because we had some errands to run and she had to go to the doctor's. After that, we're going to stop and get an oil change. Then I'm going to go drop some stuff off at the laundromat. Go get a new tire because I need one, y'all. And the only reason why I'm going to the laundromat is because I'm behind on laundry. And I have a washer and dryer, but I prefer to just get it all done at one time. So yeah, y'all come along with us. Hey YouTube fam. Say hey Bubba. Say good morning YouTube. Come for me about the bonnet and being outside because as y'all can see it's raining and it's disgusting outside. I didn't miss my hair appointment. My hairstylist ended up stabbing her hand with the little pointy thing that they use to do the dreads or whatever. So she had to get stitches or whatever. And then I had a plan B, but the plan B had fell through. So, hey, you're getting what you get. I'm going to try to stop by the Dominicans and see if they can bleach straighten my hair and wrap it for me. But if not, you get what you get into. I can get the next appointment. I have to give her at least 5 days to heal. So, yeah. But let me get off of here so they don't be like, oh, she's recording and driving with the kids. Yeah, we pulling up at the Walmart. I don't believe that this is the Walmart that do oil changes, though, y'all. But we about to find it out. Okay, YouTube family. While the car's getting worked on, we are inside of Walmart grabbing a couple things. Yeah, I don't know what to get. I'm looking though. So we just finished the oil change and now we're going to, I might need to let me run into Best Buy real quick. I need to check on the price. I'm trying to get a new camera or new phone or something, laptop, something. Okay, y'all, now we about to go drop the laundry off at the laundromat. Get them loads going. Grab some food, stop at the tire shop, and then go back to the laundromat, put the stuff in the dryer. And that's what it's looking like. And all that's going to be done before 9:30 this morning. Okay, y'all, now we about to go drop the laundry off at the laundromat. Get them loads going. Grab some food, stop at the tire shop, and then go back to the laundromat, put the stuff in the dryer. And that's what it's looking like. And all that's going to be done before 9:30 this morning. In the laundromat, we're using this machine, that machine, that machine, that machine, and that machine. Those towels down there are not ours. They had them there. I don't know for what. So right here, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I was tired folding all them clothes. I literally had about 7 bags of laundry that I was behind. So I decided to go to the laundromat instead of trying to do all of the loads and catching up in the one wash machine I have at home. So if y'all wondering why I'm at the laundromat, that's why we do have a washer and dryer. But that was the easiest to catch up on that. But y'all, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I will be getting the ring lights very, very soon, so y'all will be getting a lot of better quality. Yeah. Thank you, fam. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Uh oh, pick them up. You can't eat them. Get them.